kiheotv rikwihanda wega Thaa Mugwanja cia mieraho mahinda mangi mega turanyitanira nĩũndũ wa Kiheo Kabiru na njĩra ndaya toria kuharĩrĩirie wika no indi turateithania na memereke na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Lorena Wabui njĩtagwo Francis Wairura na turambĩrĩria na riboti kuma mũkuru kwa Yega. Mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Samoei Ruto nĩ aingĩrĩire na kwamba kũrũgamia ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũmomori wa nyũmba mwena wa mũkuru kwa Yega gũkũ mũciĩ wa Nairobi, akiuga atĩ mĩena ĩrĩa ĩrahusika no nginya yambe ĩgĩe na gĩikaro na kĩhonia kĩa naihenya gĩkorwo gĩgĩethanwo nakĩo. Ndũmĩrĩri yake yũkĩte o rĩrĩ mũingĩ wa mwena wa mũkuru ũrokire kũrũrũngana na gũkorwo magĩakia mĩaki barabara.
Kuisha jirizi kuisha ndio uwaji hawa sisi hapa na wale vijana wa pulu walipigwa kwa pulu huko Nandi. Wako ngapi? 1 2 3 4 2 million. Hatuko tayari, watu wakuja ground. Ndio Subaru pia imeingia ya wale watu ndio hawa. Ndio hao. Haya,
ni riboti turathie na mbere na gukorwo tugikuharĩrĩria na nĩ gukorwo kĩamũmia mukira harĩ mohoro maitũ marĩa megũkorwo makĩrũmĩrĩra na Elgio Marakweta. Maabitha a borithi no mathiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo magĩethana na ekwĩrwo makĩria arĩa mangĩkorwo manyitĩte itemi harĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ wonjoria wa bangi. Na ũũ nĩ thutha wa maabitha a borithi gũkorwo makĩhithũria bangi ĩrĩa nĩ ya mũigana wa ciringi milioni 13 na ngiri 300. Bangi ĩno ĩkĩrĩkana atĩ ĩroimaga mwena wa ĩroimaga mwena wa Busia ĩroretio gũkũ mũciĩ-inĩ wa Nairobi. O kũrerĩkana atĩ bangi ĩno nĩ kilo 266 turuma 2 nĩ nyitĩirwo barabara-inĩ nene ĩkĩrĩho gũkũ mũciĩ wa Nairobi mwena wa Elgio Marakweta.
Yesterday at exactly 6:30 p.m. From intelligence and information that we received from the members of the public, we were given information that there is a vehicle that is coming, and they were suspecting that that vehicle was carrying the consignment that either trafficking drugs and other substances. That was the information we received. So the team from Kiheo South, led by the sub-county police commander, the OCS, and the whole entire sub-county security team organized themselves and laid a roadblock next to Metkei, where we are. And equally to the information that they received, they intercepted a vehicle that was coming from the Eldoret route and Metkei heading towards Eldama Ravine. The vehicle is KDV 627S. This vehicle, when it was stopped, the police officers who intercepted this vehicle found out it was carrying drugs in the form of bangi or cannabis sativa, and the consignment itself was huge enough. About 7 bags of cannabis sativa that the vehicle was carrying. Other consignment, even human trafficking. So I, as a county commissioner, I want to sound a very loud warning, because the systems that we have put in the ground with the entire team, the county security committee and the sub-county security committee along this route is very tight. Any other person thinking to pass through this route is at their own peril.
Na rĩu tũhiũke nginyagia igoti-inĩ mwena wa Mwea ũrĩa warĩ mũmbunge wa Mwea na nĩwe Peter Njuguna nĩ gatagatĩ ka ekwĩrwo agĩana arĩa maikĩtio ngono na gũcoka gũthitangwo magĩkuruhanio na ũici wa ngari. Kũrerĩkana atĩ ekwĩrwo aya makorirwo makĩiya ngari ĩrĩa nĩ ya thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a kũrĩ mweri 4 mwaka wa 2025.
What the prosecution presented in court today was an application to be allowed to continue detaining the suspects for 21 more days That application was seriously opposed, and the court agreed with our position that it was a violation of their rights to detain them for more than 5 days or thereabout. And today they have been admitted to bail. They have been given cash bail of $500,000 with an alternative of bond of 1 million. This is a very disturbing case. And the other suspects are not known to Mheshimiwa. There is an allegation, according to the affidavit that was present to the court. There is an allegation that a motor vehicle was stolen on 4th of November 2025 here at Muranga. Nothing was found with our client. He doesn't know even the other suspects. It is a mystery, complete mystery, why he is being associated. We don't, at this point, we are not saying it is political, but anything, this Kenya, anything is possible. It's alleged that one of the suspects mentioned his name. And we don't know, because we're yet to see the statements of the witnesses, if at all there is any iota of evidence associating Mheshimiwa with the theft of the said motor vehicle. I've spoken to him. He has no idea about the motor vehicle. He doesn't deal with motor vehicles. What he deals with are machineries, not motor vehicles.
Na tulio igoti-inĩ nĩ atĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru nĩ yambĩte kũgĩa na igũtha nao nĩ thutha wa igoti inene rĩa Naikuru kuuga atĩ rĩtigũkorwo rĩkĩrũgamia mĩhang'o ĩrĩa ĩrĩga gũkorwo ĩrĩho ya kũrũgamia kũgĩa na ngwatanĩro na ũruti wĩra na rũhonge rwa NYS. Nĩ riboti ĩthiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo ĩrekereirio nĩ mũcirithania wa igoti inene rĩa mũciĩ wa Naikuru, ikinya rĩrĩa rĩthiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo rĩkenereirwo na njĩra nene.
All the respondents ambao tuliweza kuwaserve ile siku ya Disemba tulipowapatia, kufikia leo hakuna hata mmoja aliweza kurespond kuhusiana na yale mambo ambayo tulikuwa tumeweka mahali pale, na kwamba siku ya leo tunafurahia ya kwamba Justice Nagea katika wisdom yake imesema kwamba it was unopposed. Kwa hivyo ile conservative orders zilizuia County Government of Nakuru wasikuje katika MOU na NYS, it is in place. Na ya kwamba tarehe 26 Januari tutarudi hapa mahakamani ili kuweza kuangalia ile application tulikuwa tumefanya iweze kuendelea mbele.
Ya kwamba pesa inatolewa kwa ward zetu 55. Hiyo pesa yote ichukuliwe bila kufuata sheria ama anything, ipatiwe NYS. Ati NYS sasa ndio watatengeneza barabara. Yaani sisi kazi yetu ni kwenda kupiga devolution, kupigania devolution, pesa ikuje, lakini pesa tunatoa tunapatiana nje kwa national government. Number 2, tukasema NYS have no machinery. Kwa hivyo ni watu wamepanga waende wakondeshe material machine kwa NYS wakuja wafanye. Hii mambo ya wizi hatutakubali.
Tunafurahia sana ya kwamba hii ndio ile hatua ambayo kila mmoja wetu katika kaunti ya Nakuru na katika taifa la Kenya tunastahili tuweze kuhakikisha kwamba ile impunity imekuwa katika county government ya Nakuru tumeisimamisha.
So mvua inakuja April, raia wataanza kupiga makelele kwa sababu ya barabara. So mimi naomba governor saa hii na wale watu wote wako na ofisi yake watafute haraka waweke mabarabara zote kwa list, contractors wa apply. Na kama anataka kufanya ile ya hire of machinery, wacha afanye haya ya hapa. Okay? Kama anataka kuavoid ile alikuwa anasema 1.5 million, anataka kufanya hapo 50, afanye hapo 50,000 ya hapa. Matipa ziko hapa, watu wako na magrader, watu wako na petrol stations, watu wako na makwale ya maram. Wacha wapatiwe contract hire of machinery hapa, iende kazi one by one.
Na thutha wa kwamũkĩra riboti yo kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru turamba gwĩkirĩrwo hanini nĩ tũracokereria.
Ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Thukuru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164 003 0703 164 003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano. Tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini. Nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady theinie wa githima rucini thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 kanyitane na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyakadeto theinie wa tabarira ya riũa rĩa wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanira na Celestine Waka the Favored One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe. Igikinyiria thaa 10 ukaigira kiverereki theinie wa tabarira ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithira KW. Mugatereva na kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kukwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku ukanyitanira na Susan wa Ngoro the Women Rep theinie wa tabarira ya Ikubi ria Kigosho.
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moka magukuwa indo ciaku ungika atia kana ngambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma Engineering System umerema kuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system eira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macamanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka yao ĩngĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani nĩ harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no ũmacarie na thimũ 0793 494949 kana 0793 949494 kana 0793 595959. Gitira wira waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma Engineering System. Twaririe
Ugikorwo na woni wigie tabarira citu ndukamairirie gutumenyithia kugerera ndumiriri nguhi kana WhatsApp. Namba itu ni 0795 789804 0795 789804 kana email itu niyo info@kiheotv.co.ke.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Naam. karibu ni twacokereria hari kireka ria keri na ria muthia kuona arutwo aingi makoretwo mena kahinda karitu ga guthie na mbere na mathomo. Riu mubunge wa Ogenya David Ochenga ne ndise na mbere no korwa kiendekia na gakiuga ati gikeno giake gigakorwo gikiiganira o riria mathomo magakorwo maiganaine na arutwo makorwo maiganaine guothe bururi-ini, kuona ati kwa ihinda riri kuri na arutwo mangikorwo makiamukira kigina gia scholarship o ndome na bursary, no ende arutwo aria angi magathie na mbere no korwo makiaga kigina giki. Oho athie na mbere no korwo kiuga ati itanya riake ni ati thirikari ringi iroka ni gukorwo igiteithiriria ati ni ciakorwo ikimurika githomo na gikorwo ati no gikinyanirio kuri murutwo o wothe.
Mambo ya bursary, I pray that in my lifetime we will have to stop giving bursaries and scholarships. That in my lifetime there will be a president who will come. Kutakuwa na rais ambaye atakuja hapa mbele kama sio mimi, ambayo atatoa mambo ya bursary na scholarship. Wanafunzi wasome bure tu from primary school to the university. Tungependa hiyo. Because you can imagine what you have to go through. Every year bursary, scholarship, wengine hawapati. In our constituency hapa Ugenya, the best we've done since 2013 is that we don't look at politics when we are doing mambo ya bursary. Utapata kwamba wale wamepata bursary is scholarship, some of them are my most staunch opponents hapa. Utapata wanapata because we don't look at politics when we're giving bursaries. But there are places where ukienda constituencies zingine utapata mtoto anapita mtihani vizuri lakini anapata bursary based on who their parents support. So you can imagine what people go through. So you want this to be levelized. You want every kid to have the best they can have in education. You want to have every kid to have a level playing field in as far as access to quality education is concerned.
Na ripoti ya kuma Ogenya niyo yakore gitwikirira gaturumo ka mohoro maretuma na mugatho cia mwanya kuri timu yothe iri yakore gitigira ati mohoro mane magukira na njira iri yagirire na makire muguni ndu waku ni ndu gutwirorera na gutwihoka Juma wika tuma na memereke na njira ya cikwetagwo Lorina Wamboi nditagwo Francis Wairura tugakwendithia muthenya wina umithio.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV.